All right, so early morning Amsterdam. This is the only time that you can actually walk around and enjoy this city. Because last night when I got in here, I was walking around, it was just absolute chaos. People shoulder to shoulder, you couldn't even walk through the streets. But now check it out. Still pretty quiet as I'm getting close to the city center. There's a few more people out and about, but it's still way better than last night. I'm gonna find something to eat, and here in a bit I'm gonna take the train out to the windmill village of Zandskans. So that should be really interesting. I'll put up a link to that video when it's ready. Yeah, so this is actually the heart of it all right here, and you can see everybody must still be asleep or hungover or something, because there's really nobody out right now, right here in the middle of Amsterdam too. So this is basically the only time you can explore this place without hordes of tourists trampling you in a big stampede or something, because last night was absolutely nuts, and this is really cool to get out here this morning and be able to get out here and look around and see everything. As you can see, it was absolutely insane last night. I'm not kidding. One of the reasons it's probably so busy is, of course, it was a Saturday night, so it was hard to get out and do much of anything anyway. But also Metallica was in town, so I think that might have something to do with it as well. So check out how easy this is. You're going to take a train to Zandskans like I'm about to do. It goes right here. You can select exactly what you're looking for. And we'll look up Zandskans. All your info is here. You put your card in right there. And that's that. So it was super easy to get my ticket to Zandskans. But later on when I go to redeem that, we'll see how easy it is to actually get there. I'm gonna go get some breakfast right now. Okay, so check this out. Notice the hooks up top. They say that is so large items can be hoisted up, as opposed to trying to navigate the narrow stairwells. Pretty cool, huh? And there's one more thing I want to show you. And behind me is the building where Anne Frank and her family had to hide out for like 2 years, I think it was.